Through a powerful combination of liberal arts education and professional specialization, the University of Asia and the Pacific puts due emphasis on the individual, the family, the community, and the Asia-Pacific region.
The distinctive approach to learning has made UA&P all that it is today in such a short time. A school environment conducive for study, experienced and dedicated teachers, an excellent faculty-to-student ratio, well-maintained facilities.
The private not-for-profit institute has only been around for 2 decades, yet UA&P has already grown into its own as one of the top schools in the country.
Our mission is to fully develop everything that is human in the individual, whole person education.
UA&P is committed to the inculcation of time-tested human values and attitudes, and our academic programs include courses in social and professional ethics.
With UA&P's brand of whole person education, amidst a working climate where adaptability is key, we stand firm, knowing that every facet of what we have learned can be fully utilized to catch up to the speed of life.
Unique to our university, our mentoring program, augmented by our deep appreciation for the liberal arts, nourishes the development of each of our students and brings the integration of knowledge, skills, and values down to the personal level.
By treating students as individuals, through focused one-on-one sessions with qualified mentors, we put into practice our belief that higher education should be a singular, meaningful experience that develops the person in every aspect.
This holistic approach prepares UA&P's diverse community of students from all over the world to become innovative and globally relevant professionals at the top of their field, wherever they may be.
While we are constantly looking towards the future, we never lose sight of who we are. With the UA&P motto, Unitas.
We remind ourselves of our desire to achieve unity in many aspects. Unity within university community, unity between faith and reason, unity between religion and life. It reflects the commitment of everyone in UA&P toward the pursuit of wisdom, a synthesis, and therefore a unity of life.